Baking tasty and healthy at the same time is one of the biggest dilemma every baker is facing nowadays. With so many people shifting to a healthy lifestyle, there is a huge demand of baked goods that can provide both taste and protein. And that's why today I have come up with a very healthy, easy to make muffin recipe, which I'm sure you're gonna gladly introduce to your health conscious customers. I'm Chef Kirti Labra and this is my Bake Along series where I teach you simple everyday recipes which you can bake for your loved ones. If you're new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed and have hit the bell icon, as that will notify you whenever we share a new recipe on our channel. So today we are going to make protein-packed banana muffins. In this recipe, we have used fresh bananas, sugar-free chocolate, honey, and some really good quality protein powder. So without wasting more time, let's start mashing our beautiful ripe bananas with the help of a fork until we have a mushy mixture ready. While doing this, make sure that you're not over mashing the bananas, as that can make the texture of the muffins rubbery. Into these, we'll add eggs, which are a great source of protein, honey, and oil. Now with the help of a spatula, I'm going to combine this. So as you can see, we have a very slimy mixture ready. I'm going to keep this aside, and now in a new bowl, we'll sift all our dry ingredients one by one, starting with all-purpose flour. So here I'm using all-purpose flour. If you want, you can also try this recipe with whole wheat flour. Followed by some protein powder. Here I'm using the brand On's chocolate whey protein powder. Followed by baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon powder. Cinnamon goes really well with bananas, but if you want, you can simply skip it or replace it with some other spice that you like. So all our dry ingredients are in. We will now add in some chopped vegan dark chocolate. So I'm going to gently coat the chocolate with the dry ingredients. This will prevent them from sinking into the batter during the baking process. Now we'll add our liquid mixture into the dry mix and then combine using the cut and fold method. With this, our batter is ready for baking. I'm going to divide this between the muffin liners and then top each muffin with some choco chips. So our muffins are ready for the oven. From this recipe, I have got 5 jumbo muffins. But if you're making smaller muffins, you can easily get 8 to 9. We'll bake these at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at the lower rod mode. So our muffins are out of the oven and they have completely cooled down. If you can see, they have risen beautifully. They are super soft on touch and smell delicious. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section.